Have you ever wanted to download the Shizuku app on your device and you go to your Play Store and search for Shizuku like this? And you are seeing this error message which says here, looking for Shizuku. This app isn't available for your device because it was made for an older version of Android. If you are seeing this error, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to show you the real solution you need to follow in order to fix that problem. You can only see this error message on your device if you are using Android 13, 14 or 15 or 16. If you are using Android version lesser than this version, let's say you are using Android 12, you are going to be able to download the Shizuku app from your device using your Play Store. So I'm going to actually break something down for you to understand why you are seeing this error and the possible solution. So if you are still using an older version of Android and you go to your Play Store like this, or your Play Store like this, let's say you go ahead and click on the search button like this. Let's go ahead and click on the search button and search for Shizuku. So if you search for Shizuku like this, you're going to see that that error message is not there. You can go ahead and click on install and install it on your device. But if you click on the app like this, I want to actually show you guys something. So looking here where you can see about the app, if you go ahead and click on the arrow button there and expand that section in order to see about the app, more about the app like this. So now looking here, you can go ahead and scroll. Looking here, you can see the place where it says released on. This app was actually released on June 6th 2017, and this app was updated on March 10th 2024. So this app was actually updated on Google Play Store on March 10th 2024. So it actually makes a lot of sense if the app is not updated yet on Google Play Store, because it was last updated in 2024 March 10th. And looking here where you can see app support, if you expand that section like this, if you expand the section like this, you can see this place where you can see email raka.app, and also where you can see about the developer. You can see that the support here is at raka.app. So in order for you to actually get this app, the latest version, let me show you guys something as well. So right here on the about of this app, looking here, you can see user guide. You can see chizuku.rika.app guide/setup, and also looking here as well, you can see source code and developer guide. You can see what is written right there, which is http://s github.com rika app/Shizuku. So in order for you to fix this issue, this is what you need to do. You need to go to their official page, which is github.com, and search for the latest release of the Shizuku app on your browser. So let's simply go to our web browser like this. So right here, you need to go ahead and search for Shizuku GitHub official page. Go ahead and search for it like this, then click on the second link right here. So you should understand that this page is maintained by the official Rika app account on GitHub, and it contains the most up-to-date version of the app that works on newer Android versions. Even the Play Store version comes from this same code base. So you are not bypassing any security, you are using the developer official distribution. As you have seen in the Play Store, this is actually their official page. So looking here, you can see that the latest version is 13.16. That is the latest version. So in order for you to get it, looking here below where you can see assets, you need to click on that link right there. Once you do that, you're going to see downloading file, and click on open like this, and then go ahead and install the Shizuku app on your device. Allow it to install on your device, then go ahead and click on open. Go ahead and click on open like this in order to open the app. So before using the app, you need to enable developer mode on your Android device. So you need to go to your Android device like this. Let's go to your settings. So in your settings like this, you need to scroll down and click on about phone. So right here, you can see where it says software information. You need to go ahead and click on that. Now looking here, you can see the option of build number. You need to tap on that 7 times. So once you do that, you need to go ahead and input your PIN. So the next step you need to take is to move out from this place, go back to your settings. So right here, you're going to see the option of developer option. That is the last option right here. If you click on that, you need to scroll like this and look for where you can see wireless debugging. To go ahead and tap on it like this and click on pair device with code. And you're going to see this code right here. So you just need to go ahead and go back to the Shizuku app and click on pairing, then click on notification pairing, click on allow notification. So after allowing the notification of your Shizuku app, you need to come right here and click on pair device with pairing code. Click on that and you're going to see your code. So you need to go ahead and click on the notification that you are seeing right here and click on enter pairing code. Then go ahead and enter the pairing code. Then go ahead and click on send. And it says here pairing successful. You can now start using the Shizuku service. So going back to Shizuku like this, go ahead and click on start. So once you do that, the Shizuku app is going to start running on your device. Looking here, you can see Shizuku is running. So you can now start using the app on your device. So this is how simple it is to get the app on your device and fix that error problem. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. See you in the next one.